In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1-inch margins on Google Docs. Ensuring that your document has the correct margins is crucial, especially if you're preparing a report, essay, or any formatted document. Margins keep your text neat and aligned, and they also provide space around the text, which makes for a more professional appearance. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To begin, you'll need to open Google Docs. You can access Google Docs by navigating to docs.google.com in your web browser. Once there, you have the option to open an existing document if you're looking to adjust margins for a document you've already created. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch, simply create a new blank document. Either path you choose, the steps for setting the margins will remain the same. Now that you have your document open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll find the File menu here. Go ahead and click on it. The File menu is your portal to a host of settings related to your document, and today, we're interested in one option in particular, Page Setup. Once the drop-down menu has appeared, you'll notice several different options you can choose, but for the purpose of modifying margins, you will want to click on Page Setup. This will open a new dialog box that contains various settings you can adjust related to the layout of your document. In the Page Setup window, you'll see several fields where you can enter measurements for the margins: top, bottom, left, and right. To set each of these margins to 1 inch, simply click in each text box and type 1. Make sure you've applied this change to all 4 fields to achieve a uniform 1-inch margin around your document. After you've entered the desired measurements for your margins, you'll want to ensure these settings are applied. At the bottom right corner of the Page Setup dialog box, there is an OK button. Clicking OK will save your changes and apply the new margin settings to your document, and there you have it. Now your Google Doc will have 1-inch margins all around. Ensuring the correct margin size improves not just the aesthetics of your document, but also fulfills any formatting requirements that might be necessary, for example, in academic or professional environments. Remember, consistent practice with these settings can make using Google Docs a more seamless experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that setting margins is now a breeze for you.